Yo, the car that you sold me ain't working, man. I tried to start it up this morning and it was making some funny noises.
Sorry to hear that. Is it still driving fine?
No, man, every time the car shifts, it feels super harsh. Maybe it's something with the transmission.
Yeah, I've heard that's pretty common for Chrysler vans that are pretty old. Maybe have a mechanic look at it, but also take into account that you only paid $1,000 for the car, LOL. Maybe go to a family friend to not spend much more.
Mechanic? Nah, bro, I want my money back. You sold me a broken car. When can you meet up?
Sorry, what? I didn't sell you a broken car. The car was driving when I gave it to you. I also disclosed in the ad that the engine was running rough and I didn't know how to fix it, so I was selling it as is.
It's only been 2 weeks since I bought it. It should still be working. You sold me a broken car.
No, I sold you a car with engine problems that you knew about. I also sold it as is.
What does as is even mean?
You don't know what as is means?
Hello? Clearly not, or I wouldn't be asking you.
Maybe you shouldn't be buying a used car from someone without finding out what the ad is telling you. Also, the car was $1,000. Did you expect it to be perfect?
I know what I bought. If you aren't gone, give me my money back. I'll take you to court. I already have my lawyer working on it.
Lol, you're not taking me to court.
And how would you know that, little boy?
Because someone who's buying a $1,000 car isn't suing anyone.